Work operations in the oil industry very often involve working at heights. All work at height involves risk. And much of this risk has to do with the failure to secure or inadequate securing of tools, equipment, and parts. Work at height exposes people below to the risk of dropped objects. And this doesn't concern just material damage or downtime during a work operation. It could also concern somebody's life. How can you secure tools, equipment, and parts that are used at height? How, for example, do you select tools to be used at height? Maybe the question isn't that easy to answer. All tools and equipment for work at height should be manufactured and delivered with lanyard attachment points. Do not attempt to make such attachment points yourself. Remember, you are responsible for removing any equipment that is not approved. All tools and equipment you take aloft must be secured against being dropped and taken back down afterwards. Check that the necessary tools are available and in prescribed condition before starting work. Attachment points and devices securing tools must also be documented. Choose safety lanyards in consideration of the environment they are to be used in. If there is a possibility of damage owing to chemicals, heat, or sharp edges, choose steel safety lanyards. In order to make potential drop lengths as short as possible, choose short and, if appropriate, energy-absorbent safety lanyards. Choose safety lanyards of the correct thickness in relation to the weight that is to be secured. Choose a tool bag which is designed for work at height. These have internal carabiners to prevent tools from falling out. A safe tool bag should also have attachment options for belts, harnesses, or carrying straps. On the outside, there should be an attachment point for tools in use. Height cabinets or height bags are very useful and should contain the following: a logbook, readily accessible procedures, and an inventory with pictures. A tidy cabinet makes it easier to find the tools you need and to notice if anything is missing when the task is completed. Remember that a height cabinet must contain only drop-secured tools. To use drop-secured tools and employ safe storage methods are preconditions of avoiding dropped objects. Companies must facilitate safe workplaces. This means that drop-secured tools must be readily available. What is the practice at your workplace?